Dual Technology Shenzhen Corporation Limited is located in Shenzhen City, China. We are the manufacturer of receiver and high-speed hardware with 31 years of exporting experiences. So far, our market has covered more than 60 countries with standard certificates, such as CE, ROS, ISO 9001, UKCA, XDC, UN Report, CD, PSE, and so on. The high-speed hardware is very hot selling now.